Question 77. What is required in the 9th commandment? Answer. The 9th commandment requireth the maintaining and promoting of truth between man, and of our own and our neighbour's good name, especially in witness bearing. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Zechariah chapter 8, verse 16. These are the things that ye shall do. Speak ye every man the truth to his neighbour. Execute the judgment of truth and peace in your gates. Acts chapter 25, verse 10. Then said Paul, I stand at Caesar's judgment seat, where I ought to be judged. To the Jews have I done no wrong, as thou very well knowest. 3 John, verse 12. Demetrius hath good report of all men, and of the truth itself. Yea, and we also bear record, and ye know that our record is true. Proverbs chapter 14, verses 5 and 25. Verse 5. A faithful witness will not lie, but a false witness will utter lies. Verse 25. A true witness delivereth souls, but a deceitful witness speaketh lies.